If you've ever wanted a good looking promo video for your business, but didn't want to learn a video editing tool, and definitely you don't want to pay someone thousands of dollars to make one. So stick with me. A few weeks ago, I showed you how to build this using Claude and a tool called Remotion. That video's link right below if you haven't seen it. Today, there's an even easier way to do it. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the actual 60-second result. I built this exactly for our own platform. So welcome back to the AI SEO Tip. I'm Harold De Guzman, the AI director here at Raulf AI SEO and Boulder SEO Marketing. So here's a problem with a lot of business owners run into. A good promo video would help maybe for a new service, a launch, a landing page, but video editing software has a real learning curve. And hiring someone means waiting on their schedule and paying real money for something you might need updated again in 3 months. So who knows? I've been on both sides of that problem. So when I found out a tool that solved it completely, I wanted to walk you through exactly how it works. So let me share my screen. The tool is called HyperFrames. Let me show you where it lives. HyperFrames.HeyGen.com. So as you can see here, you have seen few of its examples on how it can help you to produce different kinds of graphics. So this is the official page and the tagline says edit videos by vibe coding. It's built by HeyGen, the same company behind the AI avatars you've seen in some of my other videos. And it's completely open source under the Apache license, so there's no cost to use it. There's also a good breakdown of it here from data science in your pocket. So I highly suggest that you read this to learn more about hyperframes. So both of the links I'll be including in the description field. Now, before we get into the steps, here's what you need on your end. At minimum, you need to have a Claude Pro subscription. That's what unlocks Claude Code, which is what actually does the building here. And Claude Code runs through the Claude desktop app. So Claude Pro subscription, Claude desktop installed, and you're ready for step one. So here's the plan. And I kept it into 3 steps on purpose. To start, open Claude Code. And then here, you need to copy this. So you can grab this command on the HeyGen website here. Basically here, npx skills add heygen /com/hyperframe. So click to copy and then open your Claude Code, paste it here, and then hit enter. And you can see here, you can see when it actually installed. So on your Claude Code it will show you all the 16 skills from HeyGen HyperFrames. So we have all of this good stuff here. Basically, that's it. That's just step one. Here, I'm just verifying if it actually installed it. So good. Now, second step would be here. So open a new chat. And then we need to create a new folder. So here on the folder, this is where you can add your assets. Like, for example, it could be a screenshot, a video that you want hyperframes to edit with. So for me, what I did is I created the folder that says hyperframes. Now, once you successfully installed hyperframes inside your Claude Code, then let's start a new chat. And then here, you need to click add and then add a folder. Now, on this folder, you'll be creating a folder where you drop everything, all different kinds of assets, like what image do you want. Now, inside that folder, drop in whatever you want to be featured in the video. For this example, I used 7 screenshots from our micro SEO platform. You will see that in the final pictures. Basically, just screenshots. So for our example, what I did here is, I screen captured different parts of our micro SEO platform and its features, like here in content, press release, and how our system works. So you'll be seeing that on the final result of our video. So basically drop everything here. So the images, videos, and once that's done, you need to have a detailed prompt or description on how would you like HeyGen HyperFrames to build your video. In my case, I have a long prompt here, but I didn't wrote this myself. I leverage our Claude account, which knows everything about our microseo.ai platform, and ask it to create a promotional video based on the screenshots that's inside my local folder, which is the folder that we just created. And the AI is actually smart enough to identify, like here, the command center, the pipeline, the content engine, the reports and metrics. So I have 7 screenshots here, which understands how I want to build it. So here it identified all of the screenshots that I fed it. So inside the local folder. So screenshot number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you're using any AI tool that has your product knowledge, your brand, so I highly suggest you use that first. So this is one of the things that I learned as I use AI on a daily basis, that you need to leverage AI to use AI. So it actually generated a pretty decent, product description about our SaaS, which we are really excited to release soon to the public. So make sure to follow us for more information. In full transparency, the Claude HyperFrames took about, I think, 30 minutes before it generated the final output. And now I'll be showing you the exact result of following this exact steps. So here's the video.
Ranking on Google isn't enough anymore. Your content has to show up in AI search too. Meet Micro SEO by Boulder SEO Marketing. 30 years of SEO expertise engineered into one AI platform. Start with a keyword. Micro SEO runs the SERP analysis, builds the strategy, and pulls live research from real search data and multiple AI models. Then it writes content built on each client's voice and real research, so it reads like your best writer, not a template. And it never starts from scratch. Every client gets a living knowledge brain, brand voice, strategy, edit rules, and everything the AI has learned, feeding every new piece it writes. Your clients get their own portal to review, comment, and approve. Content, social posts, press releases, and reports, all in one place. From keyword to published, one workflow, built to rank on Google and get found in AI search. Micro SEO by Boulder SEO Marketing. Book your demo today.
So to recap the whole plan, set up your folder with real images, install HyperFrames once, describe your video, but let an AI that already knows your business write the description for you. That's it. That's the entire process, start to finish, and it fits in an afternoon. So no editor, no expensive software, no waiting on someone else's calendar, just a folder of real images and a plan you can actually follow. So if you run a business and you've been putting off getting professional looking video content because it felt like too much of a lift, this closes that gap. You don't need to know motion design to write your own prompt anymore. That video you just watched is something we're genuinely excited about. Micro SEO is our AI SEO platform coming soon from Boulder SEO Marketing. And it's built around exactly this idea, using AI to handle the work that used to take a whole lot of team. If all of this sounds interesting, but honestly, you'd rather have someone handle your AI SEO and content for you instead of building it yourself, that's exactly what we do here at Boulder SEO Marketing. If you're a business owner and you need help with AI SEO, give us a call, links in the description. If you want to try HyperFrames for yourself, go for it. And if you want to see other way to build a video like this, the Motion episode is linked below too. That's this week's AI SEO tip. See you on the next one.